Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about something that is both incredibly simple and profoundly complex. The power within ourselves, the emotional drive, the internal spark, and the confidence that lives in every single one of us. We often search for motivation outside ourselves, in books, mentors, social media, or endless success hacks. And while all those things can help, true motivation, the kind that fuels action, comes from within. It begins with understanding our emotions, channeling them into purposeful action, and developing the unshakable confidence that we are capable of more than we ever imagined. Imagine for a moment a young child learning to ride a bicycle. They wobble, fall, scrape their knees, and yet somehow there is a persistent spark inside them, a determination to keep going. What drives them is not logic or a perfectly structured plan. It is emotion, frustration, excitement, curiosity, and the sheer desire to succeed. This emotional drive, when nurtured, is the foundation of emotional motivation. As we grow older, life becomes more complicated, and yet the same principle applies. Success, happiness, and personal growth do not come from external factors alone. They come from the internal fire we cultivate within ourselves. The nature of emotional motivation. Emotional motivation is a unique force. Unlike extrinsic motivation, which depends on rewards or recognition from the outside world, emotional motivation is intrinsic. It arises from our feelings, our passions, our dreams, and sometimes even our pain. Think about the moments in your life when you felt truly driven. Perhaps it was a dream you could not ignore, a cause you felt compelled to fight for, or a personal goal that meant the world to you. In each of these instances, your emotions acted as a compass, guiding you toward action. Why is emotion so powerful? Because emotion is energy. It has a capacity to move us, to push us past obstacles, to help us endure discomfort and uncertainty. When you are emotionally connected to a goal, obstacles no longer feel like dead ends. They feel like challenges to overcome. Fear, frustration, and doubt may arise, but so does resilience. A resilience powered not by brute force, but by feeling deeply connected to your purpose. Turning pain into motivation. One of the most profound lessons about emotional motivation is learning to turn pain into fuel. We often think of pain as a weakness or a setback, something to avoid or ignore. But consider for a moment the lives of the most successful people you know. Behind every achievement, there are stories of failure, heartbreak, and adversity. Pain is unavoidable, but how we respond to it defines our trajectory. Emotional motivation is about acknowledging that pain, understanding it, and then transforming it into energy that propels us forward. Consider the story of Thomas Edison. He famously said, "I have not failed. I just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Each setback, each moment of despair could have been an excuse to quit. But instead, Edison used the frustration, the disappointment, and emotional weight of failure to ignite his determination. That is the essence of emotional motivation. Leveraging our feelings, even the difficult ones, as tools to build resilience and pursue our dreams. The balance between emotion and logic. While emotion is powerful, it is most effective when balanced with logic. Emotional motivation without direction can become chaotic, energy without focus, passion without strategy. Likewise, logic without emotion can become cold, uninspiring, and lifeless. The true power lies in combining emotional drive with clear thinking. When your heart fuels your actions and your mind guides them, you create momentum that is nearly unstoppable. Imagine climbing a mountain. Emotion is the energy that keeps your legs moving, even when the path is steep and exhausting. Logic is the map and the planning, choosing the safest route, conserving energy, and making strategic decisions along the way. Alone, each has limits. Together, they form a synergy of heart and mind, driving you toward the summit of your goals. The role of self-belief. Confidence is not something that can be borrowed or handed to us. It is developed through repeated action, reflection, and most importantly, belief in oneself. Self-belief is both a product and a catalyst of emotional motivation. When you truly believe you are capable, your emotions align with that belief, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of motivation and action. Think of every successful moment in your life, no matter how small. Maybe it was giving a presentation, running your first 5K, or standing up for something you believed in. Each act built confidence. Each success, however minor, reinforced your emotional drive. And with each step, you grow stronger, not just in skill, but in belief that you can face challenges and overcome them. The importance of purpose. Emotional motivation thrives on purpose. Without a sense of why, our emotions can be scattered, fleeting, and weak. Purpose is the anchor that directs our feelings into action. It answers the question, why do I do what I do? The clarity of purpose fuels persistence. It transforms moments of frustration into opportunities for growth, and moments of fear into fuel for courage. Your purpose doesn't have to be monumental. It can be as simple as providing for your family, creating art that inspires, or improving your health and well-being. Whatever your purpose, when you connect your emotions to it, you create motivation that endures beyond temporary challenges or setbacks. Overcoming fear and self-doubt. Fear is one of the most common obstacles standing between us and our full potential. It whispers doubts into our ears, telling us we are not ready, not worthy, or not capable. Self-doubt often follows closely, magnifying those fears, convincing us to stay in our comfort zones. But here is the truth. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is a guide. It signals that something important is at stake. Every time you feel fear, it means you are on the edge of growth. The key is not to eliminate fear, but to act despite it. Great achievers all felt fear at some point. The difference is that they allowed fear to fuel their preparation, sharpen their focus, and energize their actions instead of paralyzing them. Emotional motivation allows us to persist even when the mind wants to quit, building consistent habits. Motivation alone is not enough. It can ignite the flame, but to sustain success, we need consistent habits. Habits are the physical manifestation of emotional motivation. When you turn your emotions into repeated actions, you create momentum that carries you forward even when your motivation wanes. Start small. Focus on one habit at a time. Each small action compounds over days, months, and years. Emotional motivation will push you to start, and habits will keep you moving when your initial excitement fades. Sustaining motivation through difficult times. Life is unpredictable. Challenges, setbacks, and failures are inevitable. Emotional motivation helps, but it can falter when stress and adversity hit. The question is, how do we sustain motivation when life gets hard? Reconnect with your purpose. Celebrate small wins. Surround yourself with positivity. Visualize success and feel the emotions associated with it. Sustaining motivation is not about ignoring hardship. It is about embracing the struggle and letting your emotions, guided by purpose, propel you forward. Passion and purpose. Passion is a persistent emotional energy that cannot be extinguished easily. It aligns with purpose and fuels perseverance. Extraordinary achievements occur when passion and purpose intersect. Your emotional motivation, grounded in purpose, becomes unstoppable. Real-life examples. J.K. Rowling persisted despite multiple rejections and personal hardships. Malala Yousafzai acted courageously for education despite threats and danger. Their emotional motivation, aligned with passion and purpose, created outcomes that inspired the world, building unshakable confidence. Confidence grows through repeated action, reflection, and small victories. True confidence is rooted in competence and self-awareness, not arrogance. Emotional motivation fuels action, which strengthens confidence. Each challenge faced, each fear confronted, and each failure embraced strengthens your belief in your abilities. Resilience, rising stronger. Resilience allows us to maintain emotional motivation during life's inevitable hardships. It is the ability to recover, adapt, and keep moving forward. Resilience turns setbacks into stepping stones. Emotional motivation provides the energy. Resilience ensures persistence. Daily affirmations and mindset. Daily affirmations strengthen emotional motivation and build mental resilience. Visualization reinforces this effect. Combining affirmations and visualization creates a feedback loop of motivation, confidence, and action. Sustaining long-term motivation. Long-term motivation requires structure and commitment. Set clear goals, maintain routines, reflect and adjust, seek inspiration, and celebrate progress. Over time, emotional motivation transforms into a way of life, not just a temporary burst of energy. Conclusion: the unstoppable force within. You already possess the power to achieve extraordinary things. Emotional motivation, self-confidence, and resilience are not gifts. They are skills you can cultivate and strengthen. Each step you take, each challenge you face, and each lesson you learn builds an unstoppable inner force. Emotional motivation moves you to action. Confidence ensures you persist despite obstacles. Resilience allows you to rise stronger every time you fall. Connect your emotions with purpose, and you will unlock a spark capable of transforming your life. So, I challenge you today. Look within, take action, nurture your confidence, and embrace your power. Your inner spark is waiting to ignite. Step boldly into the future you deserve.